What's up you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video requires me to kind of touch up and intro a couple things, starting off with my haircut. If you noticed, you noticed. If not, it's no big deal. But I just wanted to say, yes, I chopped off like 3 inches off my hair because it was so dead that I didn't know what to do with it anymore. So that's why I will look different. Second of all, a lot of these clips are going to be voiced over because they are from Oogie Boogie Bash, a Disneyland special night after dark ticketed event. And the problem is they play a whole bunch of like Descendants and zombie movie soundtrack moments that I did not want to deal with in this video. So that is the reason for the voiceover.
Okay, so Oogie Boogie, these are the beautiful bags that they give you. They change every single year depending on what they are promoting. This time it's Moana, and this is the different map you get, which shows you, again, more promotional material, as well as seasonal food slash themed night food, and all the spots where you could get treat trails, villains, characters, photo ops. But first things first, we got there and we had birria tacos from Cocina Cucamonga, and then proceeded to start the treat trail. This is Ernesto de la Cruz. We love him, we adore him. He's one of the coolest characters available at Oogie Boogie, and if you haven't seen him, I think you're definitely missing out. And he's been here for like 2 or 3 years now, I'm not even sure, but he's always a pleasure to stop by and meet. Then we had a matcha chai madness churro, which I think is there the whole time during Halloween and not just the actual bash. But this was honestly okay. It did not taste too much like matcha, but I don't know, it was fun to try. And then if you know me, you know I love Descendants, and this movie might not be my favorite, but I do love Red and the actress specifically. So hopeful for her. Hades looks awesome. There you go. And then the Oogie Boogie room also is always there because he invites all the villains over to the party, and his room is the coolest. Like, this is awesome. We then walked around, of course, did all the treat trails, did all the things there is to see. We took pictures, and this is me just walking through Radiator Springs because it's one of the most lit up spots of the whole park. Here is me recording a popcorn cart. I don't know why. And then obviously the cool graphics presented at Carthy Circle. This is awesome because they have Oogie Boogie speaking the whole time and he intros the whole night. It's awesome. And then we move on to the parade, which I'll just kind of let you watch, I guess, because I don't know. What is there to say? We moved on to Villains Grove, which is just a light projection show that, again, has been there every year. I would love a change, but nonetheless, it is great.
In terms of what I'm reading this vlog, I have been reading Rouge by Mona Awad, of course. I'm still not done. I'm a little less than 50% in, but I'm loving it so far. And then I went to Barnes the other day and picked up Death Note. This is the last volume of the series. I'm so excited to just be done with it and move on to a next manga because I've read it for so long. I extended this for like over a year maybe just to not finish it because I loved it so much. Maybe not the last volume I read, but the whole story. So yes, I'm thinking I can finish this in 1 to 2 days. So we will see. And more random updates. I finally got an Awala water bottle. This is the color. I bought a little matching boot moment on Amazon. And as you could tell, she doesn't go with my vibe. Like, you don't see this and you think me. This screams me maybe when I was 9 or 10. Because the last hydros that I've purchased have all been different shades of light blue and neutral brown. So I definitely went out of the box with that one. But honestly, kind of love her. Kind of love the straw idea because it doesn't force me to be with a straw, but it also doesn't take the straw option away, which the hydro you have to choose between straw lid or no straw lid. And I hate the straw lid for the hydro. Like, truthfully, I hate how hard you have to suck on that thing, and I hate the feeling, and I hate the little mouthpiece, and this fixes that for me. So 10/10 purchase if you haven't tried an Awala and you are interested. This is me literally advocating for them. I wanted to show you guys my fall decorations as well this vlog. I've already kind of seen these bookshelves in the book video, the bookshelf tour. So this is just a quick glance again at what is fall. Then you have my little nightstand moment. And here we have a crocheted pumpkin coaster and a little pumpkin that I got from either TJ Maxx or Marshall's. It lights up, it's so cute. And bottom, which I like to call my dog's kind of bed headrest moment, is these little ghosts. It's a full-on candle and it is beautiful. Then for my bed, I got this little runner kind of moment that I got from Michael's. I'm pretty sure this is meant for like above your windows, but I replaced my spring one with this fall toned brown moment. I still love that it keeps the element of the flowers, but there's still pumpkins and it's still giving fall. I also have these from the like dollar cheap section from Target, just for when I make my bed. It looks a little bit more fall. This is my TV slash dresser, and I put these little kind of leaves that light up. They are just two little boxes that I bought at Michael's as well. I have a ghost candle, and for my window, this is my favorite part. This is also from Michael's, but they are also like little fall tone leaves with twinkle lights that you could set to do a whole bunch of things, and it just looks so pretty on the window. Moving down, I have my record player with some Oogie Boogie Nightmare Before Christmas dice for the Halloween vibe. And then we have this thing from TJ Maxx. These are the same sets as the white one on my nightstand. This is a little ghost candle that I got from TJ Maxx. Obviously, this is just my regular stuff. And we have these ghosts from Marshall's, and this is from last year, so I don't know where it's from. Ignore how ugly this fan is. Sometimes it gets really hot still. I'm in San Diego. I'm faking fall till I make it. We move on to my record section, and again, there's more little pumpkins, more pumpkins from Michael's, and then my desk area. NPR Tiny Desk is on my thing, but ignore that. We have more pumpkins that I talked about, and more of the pumpkin coasters that my mom made me. So they're literally everywhere. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. That's pretty much all the fall decorations. Oh, aside from my like wallpapers that switch every 15 minutes on my computer are from Katie Bellotti's Patreon, and they are stunning to set the mood with. She makes monthly ones, and I always talk about them because I cannot live without them. I literally pay $1 for them every month, and they're so worth it. Even if you have like a computer at work, if you work from home, anywhere, stunning pieces of art.
So I started baking to try to get into the fall spirit. I decided to make choco flan, but instead of chocolate flan, I was going to make strawberry flan, which might have been a mistake. We'll show you guys later why. But here I am pouring all the ingredients, the oils, and then thinking I'm cool because I've mastered the one-hand egg crack. Can I make Cutie and all the breakfast cooks in the world proud by one-handing this? I have no idea. And I also have fake nails on. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Is it good? I did it. I did it. Attempt number 2. We have 3 attempts. There we go. Look at me go. Am I a professional? I thought this was supposed to be hard. So a tip that I learned from everyone who knows how to bake is always crack on a flat surface. So if that is any reason why this is coming out okay, I'm all happy for it. Oh my god. I'm so impressed. I'm literally laughing at myself because it started as like so serious and it looks like such a meme. I don't even know what to say. I'm so embarrassed that you had to watch those clips, but also it was kind of successful, so kind of not the worst, but I'll attempt again later. Clearly here I am. This is basic cake mix stuff. I don't know why I'm showing it to you guys. I don't know why it's in here, but I just wanted to show evidence that I took like 3 hours of my day to bake this. I also decided to make cookies, which you'll see in a little while. But the reason why this cake didn't work is because of the color. This is a flan portion of it. So carnation and then condensed milk goes in it, vanilla, and 2 more eggs, which get excited to see the egg cracking meme again. The reason why the strawberry didn't work is just because of the color and the sweetness level. It just looked atrocious at the end. I promise you, I don't recommend you doing this. At least it tastes good.
That one's a fail. Back on track, back on track.
I don't blame you if you never want to see an egg after that. Why is there so many eggs in this? And why did I record every single one of them just as evidence that I could do this properly? Anyways, you blend that all up, and then after you pour the cake, you pour that in. And I also made caramel, which is just melted sugar on the stove, but I didn't film it because it's such a delicate process that you just have to stand there and hurry up before it burns and evaporates. So that's that. The last thing I want to say before I leave you with the aesthetic shots is that I did make the chocolate chip cookie base, but I did not make the obvious pumpkin sugar cookies that we all eat every year. And also, I don't know why I recorded this part. Don't say anything to me, ever.
Okay, so update on the baking. The cookies were phenomenal, as always, of course, but the choco flan, which was actually a strawberry flan moment, was not the greatest. The strawberry makes it too sweet. The chocolate makes it more savory. I myself don't personally love these. I make them for my family because they love them. But it also made it look very, very weird. It almost looks flesh toned, and I don't like that at all. So I might be attempting an actual choco flan in the next couple of weeks for my family as well. I might show you guys that, I might not, but it's just not my proudest work. It's good, it's just not beautiful and not aesthetically pleasing. I've learned from Cutie Cinderella, that's okay, as long as it tastes good. Sometimes things happen because of different ovens, different ingredient swaps, and I'm just gonna live with it, and I'll still show you guys what I made. I just read the first chapter of the Death Note book, as you guys saw, and so far it seems pretty interesting. I hope it ends with a solid conclusion. I don't know anything about it. I have not gotten any spoilers, even though everyone has watched it or read it. I have no idea, but I'm hoping it's a solid ending with an answer and a conclusion. But aside from that, I will be ending the video there. I hope you feel inspired for the fall vibes and are having a good autumn yourselves. It's really hard in California to do that, but if you're in another state, anywhere else, I hope it's giving much more fall than this. I also today started finding out information about the Warner Brothers lot, which is where they filmed Pretty Little Liars, Gilmore Girls, all those other things. And I know they're doing a holiday thing again this year for Gilmore Girls, so I might be doing that. Hopefully there will be more vlogs that are more fall time vibes coming your way sometime soon. See you guys in the next one.